Mr. Buddy is back. So then, you know a book reading today. Pigs make me sneeze. Look, Jared has this much tissues. Now Jared is the worst Jared. Pigs make me sneeze. Jared! What do you want to do today? I want, yes, a what? A ball, a swim, a hat? Achoo! Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo. I cannot stop achoo. Not sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo. What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. The jailer, no, do not speak. It is too late. Do you think he's gonna sneeze loud or soft? I think loud. I won. Goodbye, Goodbye, Jared. Sniff. Are you okay, Jared? No, I am not. Oh, okay. Not the cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggie is a pig. Piggie is also my best friend. Achoo. Great, now cat makes me sneeze too. I do not think pig makes me sneeze. I do not think cat makes me sneeze. I think you have a cold. I think a cold? You are sick. I'm sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggie, good news. I have a cold. Good for you. Look what mother sneezing the other day. Look what's happened to Piggie. You want to see the funny part? The end. See you next video about my books. Bye!